No.
What's up?
Don't know, it just spluttered a bit.
Is your spark plug attached?
Huh?
Is your spark plug attached?
Yeah, it spluttered. It just completely cut out.
Okay.
But as I was coming up here, it kept on cutting out a bit.
That's not good.
No. It just kept on cutting out a bit. It's not smelling fuel-y or anything, is it?
No, no.
It's very weird. As I was giving it power...
It was bogging.
No, it just... Yeah, basically, but just no bog. Just straight up died.
Is it getting fuel?
Yeah, it's getting fuel. But it just straight up died.
Play it up again.
It just cut out.
Ah.
It starts up and everything, but it just decides to bog out, which is really bizarre. I don't want it to die in the middle of a lane.
No,
that's the thing.
True.
I'll ride this one to the end.
Yep.
And then I'll see how it feels, but maybe I'll just call it there, because I just wasn't happy with that at all.
No, so yeah, if it's in doubt, then
Bail out.
if in doubt, bail out. Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't know. It just wasn't. It just completely just lost all power for a split second.
If I've got internet signal, I can put a route up on my phone.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we'll be able to still go and do stuff after.
Yeah.
Yeah, one way or another.
Right, let me get to the end of here, see what happens. Nah. Nah, I'm going back. Nah, I'm going back. Nah, I'm going back. Nah, it's not good. It's not happening. It's slightly cutting out again, so I'm gonna head home. Have fun. I'm gonna head home. I'll message you what happens. I'll text you either way if it breaks down or whatever.
Okay, well, good luck.
Yeah, have fun. Bye guys. Damn it.
See you later, mate.
I've got a sneaky suspicion what it might be. It could be a loose battery terminal because it's cutting out. Oh no, my thing's broken. Okay. So I'm going to check the terminals on the battery. That's what I think it could be. It only started happening when I was going off-road, so either that or the clutch is gone. Because I guess if I fix it, then I can carry on the ride. But we'll see. Should have. Now I think about it, as I was going along, I thought about it and going, okay, fine, it's probably, could be this. Going off-road, high RPMs today, that, you know, that would have definitely jostled the battery loose. It's a loose terminal. That terminal's quite loose. It's an Allen key. That was so loose. Okay, let's see if that will fix it. It just came to me, thinking, I think it's a loose terminal, and the terminal was loose. That's all it was. Right, well, I'm gonna ride that way for a bit, and then if it's good, I'll stop and. Okay then, so hopefully that's fixed it. Annoyingly, if that's fixed it, that's annoying. That battery was loose, so I'm going to give it a good old crack and see what happens. But the battery definitely must have disconnected. So let's see what happens now. And it's fine now. It was literally a loose battery terminal. I don't believe it. Well, I can believe it, but that's what it is. Holy cow.